So my screen timing limit will be the 4 minutes, so that's why I just wrap into this video. So you can see it is easily unique value. Now which is the most important is the if I save it and go to my graduate color, it's mean in which area the more will be the precipitation. So whenever the red line you can see it, so it means that this is the very high precipitated area and this will be low precipitated area. These are the deserted area. And you further increase your classes into 8, so it will be give the more data to your area. So okay, so if I go to 3, so it will be decrease your data. Or okay, so you can also check, like for example, what would be the annual precipitation of my area. So the red line will be show the is really high precipitated area, and the yellow one show the low precipitated area. So you can check your this from by clicking this. Okay, so you can check also by year, year to year. So you can create and you can change your color is also the pink one will be show very low to high precipitation. So whatever you can take your data, it will be automatically load your data. um, which I interested, I go to my this chart representation. In this chart representation they easily show you, for example, if I give you the, for example, if I go to my attribute table and go into my attribute table, and if I go to, for example, what will be my yes, the region state. If I give to, no, they only give me the year. Okay, year is okay, and the uh, annual precipitation. Okay, so it will be show me easily that which area will be high precipitated area. If I go to my this up to 20. So okay, so green one means annual precipitation is more. So in this area, in the area and the year is very more precipitated. This is the very low, this is very low, and this is too much low because I visited this area. This is a deserted and low precipitated area, very high temperature. But this area are the Himalaya ranges, which is the monsoon belt is coming. So this very high precipitated monsoon is going like this and this and this and moving like this. So this area very low precipitated and this area very high precipitated. So you can easily, okay, so you can also see from this chart, the green one is represent annual precipitation and the pink one represent the year. So you can also say the green one is increasing like this and this area will be decreasing. So you can also, so this is my favorite chart from the pin chart, in which you can show it easily. Okay, so you can also change your color for the, for example, if I go to my yes, this one, you can also change your width. Okay, so I will, if I change the width into 2 and apply it, so you can easily see it. Okay, so you can see it. Yes, it's needed. Okay, so let's, okay, so you can easily see it. The red means the precipitation is more increasing in this area, but it's very low in this area. Okay, so you can, any excel data you can generate it, and you can see it easily. Okay, the last one is the heat map. So whenever you just operated your heat map, so it will be represent the heat, the difference of for example, the temperature difference. Mean the yellow ones means very dense precipitation is occur. So in this area the collapse is occur between the monsoon, so that's why there are very dense precipitation is occur. And this is the start of the monsoon, and this is very low state of the monsoon. So you can also for example, if I go to 12, so you can also change your the radius of the circle. So the yellow means highest precipitation. Okay, so if I go to this and annual click the annual precipitation, so you can see it at the yellow means the precipitation. So if I go to 20, So this is dynamic. Okay, and here. Okay, so whenever the yellow go to the red or the blue one, so it's mean the differentiation is very more. But if I go to precipitation and I go to my like okay, so if I go to this one, no, so it will be show me the the yellow one means it's very high precipitation up to the very cool environment, or the yellow also means very high temperature to the low temperature. So in this area they only differentiate the temperature ranges, and not that much good, but it's also good whenever people working in the heat wave, so we can try the all of the our like values of the excel sheet, so you can easily also interpret your excel sheet the net long data into different format: annual precipitation, crime rate, traffic accidents. So different kind of you can do it easily. So now thank you for watching, and we will be meet in the next video.